Okay, black-eyed Susans are a pretty aggressive perennial in the sense that they can reproduce a couple different ways. One, they'll send out little seed pods and reproduce that way. The birds will help scatter them in your yard. Also, there's these little runner plants that, here's a good example here on this one. They'll send out a little shoot, and then the next thing you know, another little new shoot will pop up. They are a very hardy perennial that can be planted in a full sun condition, and they're also very salt tolerant, so they can be planted in a seashore type condition as well. But we have several good plants here, and you can see, I'll just make another cut here, how many times you can actually cut and divide. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4 little plants there. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little plants there. So you can really get a lot of use out of just one small plant. You can really spread them around in your garden, and you can also break them apart as well and not really use a knife. You can just do a little tearing. And here you go. You got a lovely little plant with a nice little root system on it that you can go ahead and plant in your yard.